Urban Garden Companion, a multimedia urban garden design platform, and it's time to have some dirty clean fun in the urban jungle. Today I want to talk about getting your peonies ready for winter. Did you know that peonies are one of the most planted flowers in the garden, and if you look forward to them as much as I do each spring, cutting them back in the fall will make them all the more spectacular. Once fall rolls around, peonies start dying back naturally, but left to their own devices, their stems turn soft and mushy and eventually fall to the ground. For better plant hygiene, prune them back in the fall, in late October or just after the first frosts. Simply cut back the stems and foliage to soil level and toss them out, removing any foliar disease with them and preventing any nasty fungal infections next season. To finish up, I'm going to put my peonies back in their sunny position and I'm going to leave out the mulch. That way I'm going to avoid any excess moisture building up around the stems over the winter months, again preventing plant disease. Fall is definitely the best time to divide, transplant or plant new peony plants. I've noticed a plant planted in the spring lags about a year behind a plant planted in the fall. For general care, peonies need full sun to give you the bestest Pom Pom flowers ever. And ideally, their eyes should always remain covered, about 2 inches below soil level. Well, that's all I've got on peonies today. I wish you every winter happiness in your garden, and when it looks like it's in dormancy and there doesn't seem to be much going on, think of it as a beautiful, flowery, creative visualization about to happen. Please do leave your questions in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I'm Helena, founder of the Urban Garden Companion, and I really look forward to seeing you all here next time.